Graph the inequality negative 2x minus 4y less than 8. Since this is just less than, and it's not less than or equal to, we'll use a dashed line. So this will be a dashed line. Let's find out where that line should go. So I'm going to use the intercepts for this because it's in standard form. And I'm going to first find my x-intercept, which has y equal to 0. So that would give me negative 2x minus 4 times 0 equaling 8 to try and find that x-intercept. That's 0, so this is negative 2x equals 8. Divide by negative 2, so x is negative 4. So we have an intercept at negative 4, 0. Let's plot that. Negative 4, 0 is right over here. Now let's find our y-intercept. The y-intercept has x equal to 0. Replacing the x with 0, I get negative 2 times 0 minus 4 times y equals 8. This is 0, so I just end up with negative 4y equals 8. Divide by negative 4, and y is negative 2. So we have a y-intercept over here, which is the point 0, negative 2. Let's find one more point. How about the point when x is negative 2? So if I do x equaling negative 2, replacing that with negative 2, I get negative 2 times negative 2 minus 4y equaling 8. This makes 4 minus 4y equaling 8. Subtract 4 from both sides. Subtracting it here, I'm left with a negative 4y. Subtracting it there, I'm left with a 4. Now divide by negative 4, and y equals negative 1. So I have a point at negative 2, negative 1. Let's plot that. It goes right there. And when I connect those points with a dashed line, I get this dashed line right there. Now I need to test a point to determine where I shade. How about if we use the origin, which is 0, 0? That's the easiest to plug in. So we're going to go ahead and test out the point 0, 0 to see if it makes that equation right here true. So that's negative 2 times 0 minus 4 times 0 less than 8, which ends up being 0 less than 8. And that's true. So that means everything on this side of the line would be true, and everything over here would be false. We need to shade where everything is true. So we want everything on this side of the line shaded. And the picture you see there will be the graph of the inequality negative 2x minus 4y less than 8.